Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another unboxing today. Thank you for joining me. We only have 4 boxes, so let's get it started. This box I think is assorted. We have a fossil bag, leather bag with pink interior, and a wallet along with it. Fossil too. Pretty nice. I like the quality of fossil. It's kind of like Coach too. Good quality. Even their watches. I sell watches too. I sell their watches. It's just nice. It's a saddle type. Soft leather. Pretty. With gold hardware. Fossil. And pink interior. And this one is another fossil. Shoulder bag. Leather type. So if you're new to my channel, I do unboxing every week. And I sell all these bags, usually bags, wallets, watches. I do have a boutique in the Philippines, so it's a physical store. So I sell bags and accessories there too in Olongapo City. So this one is fossil too, but canvas or like kind of denim, color green. Nice. I don't know why this is here. I don't know why we have this. I did not order this. Maybe it's a mistake on their end. This is fossil. That's so funny. I don't know what to do with this. It's like a table runner. Maybe I can put it on the floor or something. A little gift from them. That's so funny. It got lost. And another wallet. Fossil too. And this is a surprise. Look. A big box of Ziploc. I bought it, so it's a gallon one. So whenever I ship, I could just use the Ziploc. Use it as wrapper. Because sometimes when I do sea cargo to the Philippines, it takes a while. I don't know, some of the bags, they get like melted or the color transferred to another bag. So I wrap them one by one. Now, I learned from my mistake before. Okay, let's go to the next box. This ones, we have certificate of authenticity. A lot of them. Some of the bags, they do this. Some not. I don't know how, why. They just do. We have a hobo type bag. Shoulder bag. Just like that. I feel like I just sold the same ones. Maybe this month. I had this color blue, but different style, I think. This is Coach too. Coach. We have Patrick sling bag. Coach as well. I don't usually get Patrick. Maybe once every 50 boxes. I have another one up there. Oh. Color red. This is nice. It's patented color red, but it comes with cracks. I hate it when it happens. It's so nice, so usable. Shoulder bag. Looks fancy. Quilted. And we have a tote bag. Coach tote bag. It's a small baby coach. And that's done. Let's do this one. I actually have more boxes. Maybe like 5 more. But I don't have time to do all of them today. This is nice. With matching wallet. 2-way bag. Nice stuff. Coach Poppy. And see, I just sold the same one. Or maybe I still have it somewhere. Exactly the same one. Could be smaller, but this is 3 compartments one. And we have this. I hate it when they use this kind of material. Comes with another matching wallet. Color like orangey. And another tote bag. Patented leather. And a vintage one, I think, yeah. So I'm collecting vintage Coach bags, and I have a lot already. I will make another video, separate video of all of those, and I'm planning to make a video on how to clean them. I actually washed them. Oh no, this has scratches, like cat scratch. Yeah, I have maybe about 15 vintage Coach bags already. So that's that. And we got the last one. This comes with the authenticity certificate again. And we have a unique one. Hobo type bag with gunmetal hardware. And in leather. Unique. We have this leatherware tote. We got what's this, sling bag, and another one, PVC, and I think vintage. No, yeah, it's a vintage one, but it doesn't have the bare interior. It's lined with like a cloth like material, but it's vintage. Nice. And I guess that's it. Well, that's it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching again. If you like any of these, please like my page, my Facebook page. I do live selling. My Facebook page is Ali Boutique. I'll put it right here. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a good day.